Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beams. So in this video we are going to discuss about the JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is the most powerful programming language. It is the programming language that executes on the web browsers. So it converts the static HTML pages into a next level by dynamically updating the content, adding some animations and form handling and some multimedia controls and much more. And what can you do with the JavaScript? You can make web applications, desktop application, mobile applications, real-time networking applications, the command line applications, and games. So these are things you can do with JavaScript. And where does the JavaScript code runs? It runs inside the web browsers, and every web browser have a JavaScript engine to run the JavaScript code. Like the Firefox have a Spider Monkey, the Chrome has a V8 engine, the Safari has a Nitro, and the Edge has a Chakra. Now, what is the JavaScript engine and the rendering engines? So the JavaScript engine is a program or an interpreter which executes the JavaScript code. Actually, it helps to interpret the JavaScript code of your website before rendering it in front of your audience. The rendering engines are often used interchangeably with the browser engines, as the browser engines are the layout engines and the rendering engines is often used interchangeably with the browser engines, and it is responsible for the layout of your website in front of the audience, like the text, images and the media. And what is the ECMAScript and why do we use it? The ECMAScript is a non-profit organization that creates the standards for the technologies, and the ECMA publishes the specification for the scripting languages and is called as an ECMAScript. But why do we need that? To standardize the execution of the JavaScript code and to achieve the same functionality on all JavaScript browsers. The JavaScript was developed to execute on the web browsers, and there are so many different web browsers from the different companies. So there was a need to standardize the execution of the JavaScript code to achieve the same functionality over all JavaScript browsers. So that's why the ECMAScript came into the picture. So this is all about the JavaScript. Now we will move on to the tutorials of the JavaScript and the hands-on. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. And guys, please subscribe if you are new.